How to fix compromised Instagram account on iPhone. So, if you want to fix or solve the Instagram account compromised issue, then first what you need to do is make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now, you may get an interface which says your account was compromised. And on the bottom, you may have change password option. So, in order to fix your problem, you need to first change your password to tackle the error. But if you are unable to change your password, then first of all, what you have to do is simply close the page and make sure that you have a proper internet connection. And after that, simply open up your Safari or any other browser and search for Instagram Help Center. After that, tap on help.instagram.com. Now, you need to just scroll down a bit and then you may have some options, or you can also tap on search help articles and then you need to go with I can't login. And then you can tap on recover your Instagram password and you'll be able to change your Instagram password. Scroll down and tap on recover your Instagram password. Go with the drop down. Scroll down again and then go with was this helpful and tap on no. And here you need to tap on other, tap on select, and here it will give you an option to explain your problem to Instagram team so that they can help you in a better way. So here you need to write that hello Instagram. I'm not being able to fix the compromised Instagram account problem on my device. So please help me with that problem and then go with submit. So in this way, you'll be able to fix compromised Instagram account on your iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.